For another update, let's take a look at XRP here on the small time frame. I'm going to also shuffle down through the time frames so I can dissect the price with you. What you have over here is your preliminary supply, so it's one last swing high before you enter into your selling climax. And what leads up into this selling climax is a capitulation move. And what a capitulation move is you have a swift and fierce move to the downside, but it's in a very short period of time. And I do think time versus price matters. Whenever you have a capitulation move down like this, you're going to have what's called an automatic rally. So over here you have a lot of people being shaken out, a lot of people being scared, selling their bags at the lows, and the composite operator knows this. The composite operator is what I like to call the hidden hand. He buys up all this fear over here. Price has an automatic rally to the upside, and then it comes down to the retracements, and this is where people think that people are actually more scared over here than they were over here at this selling climax. And the reason for that is because they think it's going to go lower and take out this low and continue to go down. But we get bought up again at the retracements, and then you have what's called a failed break. So this over here is our Wyckoff accumulation range at the lows. Okay, this is your mid range, and then this is your low. Okay, so this failed break creates this is our failed break, which creates the top of our range. So you have your preliminary supply. You have your selling climax, your automatic rally to the upside, secondary test, and your failed break over here. Then you have what's called a creak to the downside. And this is a very painful experience for investors because you have, it's a lot of indecision, and it ranges like this. And then you have another one of these moves over here. So it's one last upswing, and then you come down for your secondary test in phase B, which comes down near the bottom end of your range below your secondary test. Okay, so it would come down below this secondary test. And now we actually have accumulation within accumulation, and you tend to see these structures a lot in the market. This over here would be this is your selling climax, automatic rally, secondary test, failed break, secondary test in phase B. Now we may see something like this and continue higher, or we're just going to chop around here and grind our way up. But either way, we'll still be in this range here. Now this is a 4-hour time frame. Okay, so I was just explaining this small range here on the small time frame, but if you're a long-term holder, this should just be noise to you, because on the high time frame, what we see over here is we're ready to blast off here with accumulation schematic number 2 in Wyckoff analysis. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.